Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog on this channel. So I've realized in the past few weeks I haven't vlogged at all. I haven't done any content for you guys and it's been really upsetting me. I love you, Roxy. But anyways, it's been really upsetting me and I've just come to realize that I have to do something for you guys, and you guys don't know what's been happening or what's been going on or anything like that. So if you guys are currently wondering why is everything blank in this background, there is some things have been going on lately that you guys don't know about, and I just wanted to share this with you for what's been going on, what's been happening in my life, and all of those jazz. Yeah. So what has been going on is we are currently in the situation of moving. We have found another house because we are just looking for some changes, some stuff that we want to change, and because honestly, I hate this room. It's so ugly. The ceiling is freaking black. The walls are cream. And I'm so excited for this new house because I have actually a brick wall in my room. You guys are going to get more better content, more everything that I want to do on this channel to make it better. But anyways, that's why I'm taking you guys on this journey today. I am so excited. Remember, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys think you're gonna like the moving vlog. Let's get into this vlog. Subscribe if you haven't, because that will just make my day. Like, that will be like Starbucks in subscribe. Anyways, see you guys in the vlog.